We're going to go ahead and unbox this Samsung 840 EVO. It's a 500 gig solid state drive. This won't be a very long video because obviously it's not going to have very much in it since it's just a solid state drive. We'll take a look at it. You can get a better look at exactly what it looks like, if it might be visible in your build. You might want to get a better idea of the color of it. So we're going to go ahead and chop the box open here and take a look and see what's inside. Being a little bit tricky to get into. We'll pull it out. Nice black on black. I like the flat black drive and then the black Samsung letters on it. We have some Samsung stickers, a installation guide. We have some drivers, just in case they might be necessary. So here we'll go take a look at the SSD. It's black on both sides, with black connections here as well. Pretty nice solid drive. If you have any questions about it, go ahead and throw them in the comments. If you want to see me put this into the build that I'm building, go ahead and click in the description. All the links will be in there. As always, thanks.